Well, hello everybody, this is Street Outlaws No Prep Talk with two featured matchups from the semifinals at the Texas Motorplex No Prep Kings event. Now check out No Prep Felons on Facebook. He has full live coverage of every single No Prep Kings race, so give it a like and support that page. So amazingly, Robin Roberts actually, or I believe, guessed on the light. You can see on this next clip that the car moves and then the green light comes on. So, as you may see right here, car moves, then the green light comes on. Cody Baker was dead late. So, hey, just nothing wrong in guessing the light at all. So it's perfectly legal, and Robin did not red light, and he took the win. Plus, I do believe he has probably the fastest car right now in the event, even though Justin Swanstrom is really, really fast. So it's going to be an all-Team X final at this event.